Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sawtooth lace your shoes. Now, it might look a little bit tricky at first, but I promise you it's so easy. It looks way more impressive than it actually is. Let's get into it. Start by putting a pair of socks underneath your shoe tongue. It'll make the pattern come out way more evenly, I promise you. Then take your lace and thread it down into the two bottom eyelets as I've done here. Make sure it's going down into them from above, not coming up from underneath. Then we'll take this little guy here on the left hand side and bring it up into the second eyelet from the bottom from underneath, like this. Pop him out of the way. Then we're going to take the lace end on the right hand side and we're going to bring it across the shoe tongue and up into the third eyelet from the bottom on the left, as I'm doing here. Pop it there. Remember to just go as slowly as you need. There's no rush. Pause the video and just take your time. Then we're going back to this lace, bring it across the shoe tongue and down into the second eyelet from the bottom on the right hand side. Make sure everything always looks really nice and straight, no kinks in the laces. And you can see we're starting to get our sawtooth lace pattern. Bring it again across the shoe tongue into the next eyelet up on the left hand side. Make sure it's looking nice and straight. Then swap back to the other lace, bring it over into the next eyelet up on the right hand side to create another little bar-like effect. Looking good. Keep a hold of this one, bring it over and into the next eyelet on the left hand side. And then swap back to the other one to create another bar. Make sure you subscribe to this video so you don't lose it and you can come back to it for later. Then keep a hold of this lace and bring it up into this eyelet here. Swap back to the other one. And we're carrying on with the pattern and I'm going to show you what to do with the laces at the end. Again, bring it across to the very top eyelet now. Swap back to the other one. Bring it into here, and then this lace end we're going to bring it up into the very top eyelet on the right hand side here from underneath. Then take a second to straighten everything out and make sure it's looking good. Now here's what to do with your lace ends. What I like to do is just tie them in a little bow like this, and then to keep everything looking really crisp, go ahead and just tuck it behind the shoe tongue at the top here, out of sight, and it'll just sit on top of your foot. It doesn't particularly bother me because my laces are soft, but you could just leave the bow out on the front if you prefer. And there we have it, a pair of super cool sawtooth lace shoes. If you found the info in this video helpful, it'd be awesome if you could hit the like button, and make sure to check out some of my other videos. I have a video on star lacing, which is so cool and coming back in fashion, diamond lacing, and no lacing, where I show you how to spell the word no with your shoelaces on top of your shoes.